Stop scrolling. Here's the truth no one tells you. You don't need a tech degree, coding experience, or even a resume full of buzzwords to land an AI job in 2025. Crazy? Maybe. True? Absolutely. In fact, right now, companies like OpenAI, Google, Meta, and hundreds of startups are quietly hiring thousands of people for AI roles that don't even require you to write a single line of code. So the real question is, are you going to keep watching AI change the world from the sidelines? Or are you going to get in the game? Because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to break into the AI industry, even if you have zero experience. No degree, no connections, no problem. Let's go. Here's a stat that might blow your mind. In the last 2 years alone, demand for AI-related jobs has surged by over 300%. And it's not just for data scientists or machine learning engineers. AI is now a massive ecosystem, and that ecosystem needs humans at every level. We're talking about roles like AI content reviewers, checking outputs from models like ChatGPT, prompt writers, crafting questions that generate better AI responses, data annotators, helping train AI by labeling data, AI trainers, giving feedback on language, tone, or context, voice dataset cleaners, image validators, and more. And many of these jobs start at $15 to $40 per hour remotely. Now let's talk about the big myth that's stopping most people. I need to be a coder to get into AI. Wrong. Let me be clear. You don't need to be technical to enter the AI field. You need to be resourceful, curious, willing to learn. Want proof? Meet Jaden, a 22-year-old barista from Texas who hated his job, knew nothing about AI, but gave it a shot. He started on a site called Remotasks, labeling images and text for AI training. From there, he moved to Scale AI, reviewing AI chatbot responses. 8 months later, he was making $30 an hour working remotely, all from zero. He didn't wait to feel ready. He just started. So what can you do right now? Let me break it down in 3 simple steps. Step 1, pick one easy-to-understand role. Start with data annotation or AI output review. You can learn these skills in under a week. Step 2, sign up on platforms like Remotasks, Scale AI, Surge AI, Clickworker, even Upwork for prompt-related freelance gigs. Step 3, build a basic portfolio or share your progress online. No experience? That's fine. Document your learning. Employers love action takers. Now here's something controversial. Most people watching this video won't take any action. They'll scroll on, tell themselves they're not ready. And 6 months from now, they'll still be stuck. While someone else, someone like you, is landing real jobs in AI. So here's your challenge. Prove me wrong. Drop a comment right now. What's one AI skill you're going to learn this week? Is it data labeling, prompt writing, reviewing ChatGPT responses? Tell me, because your answer might inspire someone else to finally get started too. And if you want my step-by-step guide on building a full-time income from remote AI jobs, watch the next video. It's linked right here. No excuses, no experience required, just your decision to begin. Let's build your AI career, starting now.